Imagine a kitchen appliance that revolutionizes your cooking, faster, easier, and more versatile than ever. This Kalorik MAXX air fryer oven, 26-quart 10-in-1 countertop toaster oven, and air fryer combo is a culinary game changer in 2025. Whether you're a busy parent, a food enthusiast, or someone craving simpler meal prep, this stainless steel powerhouse delivers restaurant-quality results with unmatched convenience. Why the Kalorik MAXX shines? The Kalorik MAXX air fryer oven isn't just an appliance. It's a 10-in-1 meal-making marvel that replaces your traditional oven, toaster, air fryer, and more. With 1,700-watt power and Turbo Maxx technology, it cooks meals up to 37% faster while saving over 77% in energy compared to conventional ovens. From crispy air-fried French fries to a perfectly roasted 14-pound turkey, this appliance handles it all with precision and ease. Its 26-quart capacity is a dream for families or entertainers. You can fit a 12-inch pizza, 9 slices of toast, or a whole chicken on the rotisserie spit. The large glass French doors let you monitor cooking without losing heat, and the intuitive digital interface with 21 smart presets takes the guesswork out of preparing delicious meals. Whether it's golden pastries or juicy steaks, the Kalorik MAXX delivers flawless results every time. Key features that set it apart. Here's what makes the Kalorik MAXX air fryer oven a kitchen essential. 10-in-1 versatility: air fry, bake, roast, toast, rotisserie, braise, sear, dehydrate, broil, and warm, all in one sleek appliance. Turbo Maxx technology cooks French fries 22% faster, steak 37% faster, and chicken 27% faster than traditional methods. Extra large 26-quart capacity, ideal for family-sized meals, fitting a 14-pound turkey or multiple dishes on its multi-level racks. 21 smart presets, pre-programmed settings for fries, wings, pizza, and more, ensure consistent, delicious results with minimal effort. 9 do-it-all accessories, includes an air frying basket, baking tray, air rack, crumb tray, bacon tray, steak tray, rotisserie spit, rack handle, and rotisserie handle, plus a bonus cookbook for inspiration. Sleek stainless steel design, durable, modern, and easy to clean, with large French doors for easy access and visibility. Energy efficiency saves over 77% in energy compared to traditional ovens, making it eco-friendly and budget-friendly. Benefits that transform your cooking. The Kalorik MAXX delivers real-world advantages that make cooking a breeze. Time-saving performance. Turbo Maxx technology means less time cooking and more time enjoying meals with family or friends. Picture a juicy steak ready in minutes or crispy wings for game night without the wait. Healthier cooking options. Air frying reduces oil use, delivering crispy, delicious results with fewer calories. Dehydrating lets you create healthy snacks like dried fruits or jerky at home. Versatility for every meal. From breakfast toast to a rotisserie dinner, this appliance handles it all. Its large capacity and multi-level racks let you cook entire meals at once, perfect for busy households or hosting. Who is the Kalorik MAXX for? This air fryer oven is perfect for families. The 26-quart capacity and multi-level racks make it ideal for preparing large meals for multi-person households or gatherings. Busy professionals. Fast cooking times and smart presets simplify meal prep, even on hectic weeknights. Health-conscious cooks. Air frying and dehydrating options let you enjoy favorite foods with less guilt. Home entertainers. Impress guests with restaurant-quality dishes, from rotisserie chicken to perfectly baked desserts. Small space dwellers. Replace multiple appliances with one compact countertop solution. Real-world performance. What users love. Social media buzz highlights the Kalorik MAXX's popularity, with users raving about its ability to handle large family meals. One user with a big family praised the rotisserie feature for elevating dishes like picanha, making it a hit for dinner parties. Online feedback echoes this, noting the oven's ease of use, crispy results, and versatility for everything from slow cooking to baking. The included cookbook is a standout, offering chef-inspired recipes that spark creativity in the kitchen. Why choose the Kalorik MAXX? In a crowded market of air fryers, the Kalorik MAXX stands out for its all-in-one functionality, family-friendly size, and energy-saving technology. It's more than an appliance, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you're whipping up quick weeknight dinners or hosting a holiday feast, this oven delivers professional-grade results with minimal effort. Its sleek stainless steel design adds modern elegance to any kitchen, making it both a practical and stylish choice. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.